Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with yet another tutorial video for you guys today, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your GoFundMe account. GoFundMe account basically helps you for fundraising or crowdfunding if you're into any other social cause and would like to contribute. So if you want to get on this app and know how to sign up for your account, stick with me till the end of this video because I'm going to guide you through the step-by-step instruction. So for this, first of all, make sure that you've already downloaded the GoFundMe app on your mobile device and then head over to the app. As you open up the app, wait for a certain while until you're directed towards the main interface where you'll be able to log into your account. So for this, here it says there are two options that are available to you, that is to either start a GoFundMe or to sign into your account. So you can always tap on start a GoFundMe in order to start a GoFundMe altogether, or you can tap on sign into your account. So here, after tapping on sign into your account, you can see that on the end option there's a sign up button. So because you've not been able to create your account as of yet, tap on sign up. And now what you have to do is you'll have to enter your first name here and then your last name here, and also type in your email address in this section. After typing in your email address, you also have to give them your phone number. So make sure that you type in your correct phone number and then set up a password for your account. So make sure that you follow the instruction that says that'll tick mark every single important things that are required in order to set up a password, and then tap on sign up. After tapping on sign up, tap on yes, I understand. And then here it says how would you want them to send you the unique code. So tap on any of the things that are more favorable for you, then tap on send code and wait for a certain while until you receive a code from GoFundMe in order to continue. So here it looks like I've already received the code, so I'm just gonna now type in the code over here and then tap on the verify button. After doing this, you can enable notifications, so tap on enable notifications. And then when you go to the U section on the bottom right corner, you'll be able to see that you will already have been able to log into your account, which means that your account sign up has been successful. So this is basically how you can sign up for your GoFundMe account. I hope that this video has been able to help you with the process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel, and also hit that bell notification so that you get notified each time that we come up with a new tutorial video on how to geek. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I will see you around in the next video.